Are you tired of repetitive tasks draining your productivity? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue daily. Today, we'll explore n8n, a powerful tool for workflow automation. It simplifies complex tasks, saving time and effort. Let's break down why n8n stands out among automation tools. First, it's open source and incredibly flexible. You can customize workflows per your needs. Next, n8n integrates with over 200 applications. Whether it's Google Sheets or Slack, connecting services is easy. Step 1. Create a new workflow. Start by dragging and dropping nodes onto the canvas. This visual interface makes it user-friendly. Step 2. Choose your application or service. Select from various nodes available for integration. Step 3. Connect nodes with arrows. This shows how data flows between your applications. It's intuitive and clear. Now let's explain why this matters. Automation reduces human error. It speeds up processes, allowing developers to focus on high-priority tasks. For example, imagine automating the data entry process from forms to databases. It saves hours each week. In summary, n8n offers flexibility, integration, and intuitive visual design. It's a game-changer for workflow automation. Ready to simplify your life? Check out n8n's official website today. Start automating and take control of your workflows.